We're going to learn Perek Gimel Mishnah Hey. This Mishnah has three cases. Case number one, we learned in the last Mishnah that the Beis Din after Ezra HaSofer, Ezra the scribe, added to his decree that if a person is impure as a Baal Keri, not only are they not allowed to learn, but they're also not allowed to daven. So says our Mishnah, what should a person do if he's standing and davening Shemona Esrei and he remembers that he's impure as a Baal Keri and he's not supposed to be davening? Says the Mishnah, he shouldn't interrupt and stop davening Shemona Esrei. Rather, he should shorten all of the remaining brachos. For example, if he remembers when he's holding by bracha number 4, the bracha of Ata Choinen, he should say, Ata Choinen la'adam da'as, Baruch Ata Hashem Choinen ha'da'as. He should shorten all of the remaining brachas by only saying the beginning and end of the bracha. Case number 2, we learned earlier in Perek Aleph Mishnah Beis, a machlokes. Until when can a person say Shema in the morning? Rabbi Eliezer said they can say Shema until sunrise. And Rabbi Yeshua said you can say Shema until 3 hours into the day, until 9 a.m. Now even Rabbi Yeshua agrees that it's best to finish saying Shema right before sunrise to be able to daven Shemona Esrei right as the sun is coming out. So says our Mishnah that if a person early in the morning went to the mikvah to become pure, and when he's in the mikvah he realizes that it's about to become sunrise, what should he do? If he has enough time to go up and leave the mikvah and get dressed and read the Shema before it's sunrise, then that's what he should do. But if there isn't enough time to do that, then if he's standing in murky, unclear waters, then he should stay in the water up until his neck, and he should read the Shema while he's still in the mikvah. But says our Mishnah that he cannot do that if he's standing in bad water or water that was used to soak flax, because those waters have a bad smell, and you can't say Shema when you're standing next to a bad smell. Case number 3 of our Mishnah, generally a person is not allowed to daven next to urine or excrement. So says the Mishnah that if a person is standing right next to urine, then he should not read the Shema unless he's able to add a revius, around 3 ounces of clean waters to the urine. If he does add that water, then that nullifies it and he's then allowed to read the Shema. However, if a person doesn't have any water, then if he's standing next to urine or excrement, or he's standing in front of it, where those things are behind him, then if he's distant, if he's far away, where there's at least 4 amos dividing between him and the urine and excrement, then he's allowed to read Shema. 4 amos is approximately 6 to 8 feet of a distance between them. We are now going to read the Mishnah inside. Haya'oi bat tefillah, if someone was standing and davening Shemona Esrei, v'nizkar shehu Baal Keri, and he remembers that he's impure as a Baal Keri, lo yafsik, he shouldn't stop and interrupt Shemona Esrei, ela yikatzer, rather he should shorten it by only saying the beginning and end of every bracha. Yara litbol, if someone went down to immerse in a mikvah to become pure, and it's almost sunrise, then im yachel lamodu liskases, if he's able to go up and cover himself before it becomes sunrise, then yale v'yiskase v'yikra, he should go up, cover himself, and read the Shema. But ve'im lav, and if not, if there isn't enough time, then yiskase b'mayim v'yikra, he should cover himself in murky waters and read the Shema in the mikvah. Avo lo yiskase lo b'mayim haraim, but a person should not cover himself not in bad water, and not in water that was used to soak flax, because these waters have a bad smell. And if a person is going to read Shema and he's standing next to urine, he shouldn't say the Shema ad sheyatil l'seichen mayim, until he places inside of the urine water. How much water? A revius, which is approximately 3 ounces. And v'chamo yarchik mehemu min hatzaya. How far should a person be from it, from urine and from excrement, if they are next to him or behind him? Arba amos, 4 amos, which is approximately 6 to 8 feet. However, if the urine or excrement is in front of him, then he shouldn't read the Shema as long as he's able to see them.